Okay, let's talk about a huge problem that trips up even the pros, the Gmail verification trap.
So, you've cleaned your list, right? But your Gmail addresses are still bouncing. What is going on?
Well, there's a hidden reason your verification efforts are falling flat with Gmail.
Yeah, a huge chunk of your supposedly clean list is actually just junk.
See, your average verification tool has a major accuracy gap when it comes to Gmail.
So what's the deal? What makes Gmail so different from everybody else? It's their own special protocol. It's like a gatekeeper that most tools just can't get past.
And trust me, the fallout from this is a total nightmare for any campaign.
Gmail is getting super strict. You have to stay below this tiny bounce rate limit. And if you don't, your sender score absolutely tanks. We're talking a huge drop, which means all your emails, even to valid addresses, end up straight in the spam folder. But look, there's a solution that was literally built for this exact problem. Just look at the difference. When you compare them, it's not even a fair fight. You get insane accuracy, pay just once, and you are set for life. Unlimited verifications. But forget the features for a sec. Check out this absolutely crazy real-world result. I mean, look at that. They practically eliminated their bounce rate in just 2 days. Wild. So this is your shot. It's time to fix your deliverability problem for good. And you can try it out right now, completely free, no strings attached.
Just head over to bouncechecker.net, claim your free checks, and see for yourself.
So, with the new rules coming, the real question is, are you actually ready?